Why is it that we allow others to control who we are, to change the way we show up? Why is it that the opinion of others have that much power over us, or we allow that? Well, that's a question for today. Is it something that we do that purposely? Is it unconsciously we allow that? I'm not sure. But let's explore that. And here's a perfect example of it, where we are in a relationship, and in any type of relationship, we lose our job, or we have a romantic relationship and lose our sense of who we are based on the opinion of those in that specific relationship. And it comes down to the concept of belonging, really. We all want to be loved and accepted, and the only way we can do that is to make sure that we do all the right things so that the other person, in whatever context that they are in, they see us as this worthy person that they want to connect with us in whatever form, either in a relationship, romantic relationship, or in a business adventure, or job situation, or schooling, or whatever it is, okay? Even in athletics, by the way. I think the idea is to be ourselves at the end, and understanding that we don't need the accolade of anybody, and the opinion of others, they should not define who we are in whatever form that we can think of, right? And we do not lose and forget our own virtues and our own self-worth because of someone decided that they do not want to, or he or she doesn't want to spend their time with us. Why do we give this much power? And it doesn't make any sense. And I've learned that through my experience and seeing, living alongside others. That is a very definition of not living our own lives and living up to our own true identity of who we are. We constantly get influenced and live our lives by the influence of others, and we need to break free from that. And in both cases, my situation with my health and my divorce has taught me that I need to make sure that I am true to my own self, and that I am okay with me, and the opinion of others do not make who I am and why I am, as long as I am true to my own identity. And if it turns out that the other person or people around me, they don't like seeing me the way that I am, and the true me, as in they accept me for who I am, then that's okay. As long as I am stay true to the values within me, that is what matters at the end. So I challenge you to think about that. It is the most profound work and awareness that we can do. We can tap into our own inner strength, and knowing that our true freedom lies within the value system that we create for ourselves without the influence of others, right? For sure, you can agree that we can never make everyone happy. There are some people that we cannot have the same resonance, and that's okay. And those who sees us for who we are and accept us for who we are, those are the hard people. And enjoy and accept and value that relationship, and move on from the ones that they don't resonate with us. How are you doing in that journey? Do you think that, are you still under influence of others? So your partner has left you, you're still feeling down. Rightfully, I get that, right? The sense of belonging is there, the rejection, the trust is broken. Is that real? Question that, the validity of that. Does that change who you are? Because it shouldn't. And take that power back, put it in your own hands, because you have the power to choose, to give that sense of identity to someone else, or you build it for yourself. Yeah, I challenge you that. I hope you're well. Share thoughts and comments below, especially about this. And if you are still thinking that you may be influenced by others, and how you show up in life is directly related with how others want you to show up, I need you to reevaluate that. Does that make you happy? Truly, okay? I'm talking about content. I'm talking about, when no one is around, do you question that? It's like, there's something is not right. I'm not being myself. I'm not being true to myself. I'm not being honest with myself. And I have to put this mask on, different masks at times, and all the time. So think about that. All right, my friends, until next time.